So, so what I'm planning to do is I'm going to planning to buy like a hotel um, for like millions of pounds, so that during the pension period I'll get more money and I will enjoy my life. You took me to the gambling few times, and it really worked. I think I earned around um, 800 pounds on the other day. Shall we go again
Come,
today?
come. I'm calling you so many times. Glad that you are here. Let's go. You will see. You will earn like not. You can buy three hotels actually.
Is
And
it
yeah, yeah. Come, let's go and let's play. Let's see
done?
how
Yeah.
much pound you have now.
What now?
How many pounds you have now?
I got like uh, more than 8,000 pounds in my account.
Oh, okay. So we'll make it four times today. Just see. We'll
Okay.
go and make it four times. We'll
Yeah,
make it.
my family also will be happy if I earn more and bring more money. Then
Come on, Karthik. Let's go and play. Let's play.
yeah,
Let's
come
see.
on.
Come on.
Yes,
You don't need to do anything. Just spend. Come with me, and we'll just spend something, and we will get four times, five times more than that what you get, and then
yeah,
you can buy.
sure. Come, let's go into this betting shop. Um,
See, okay, see, okay, come. Let's
Yeah.
play now.
So now they're started playing, and now I enters there, and
See,
I
Karthik,
saw.
now how you own this? Oh, how much now? You had 8,000. Now, see, it became 16,000.
yeah, very quick.
Ah,
Really going
yes.
well.
Shall we put the 16,000 back on and again try?
Yes, definitely,
Uh,
definitely. Today we should
Okay,
take
what is your number? Guess a number.
mm, 91.
Oh, see, 91 came now. Again you won. Okay, so it
Wow,
became 32,000. Double. What
fantastic.
you need? Another one, 36, 32,000 again. Shall we put 32,000?
Hello, hello. Can I interrupt you both?
Hey,
Hare Krishna, Karthik Prabhu.
Do you
How are
know him?
you?
hi
Do you know
Malik.
him?
How we are fine. Come, let's play. See, we are
No, no, no,
we
no.
have.
Actually, I'm going to do, Arati at my house. We have Nityanandaram and Gaurangisham at our house. So
Mhm.
why don't you join both? I don't know who is this new person. May I
Come, Malik.
know your name?
He's my friend Ashish. He
Oh,
told me
Ashish.
play
Nice to
game.
meet you, Ashish.
Only
Yeah.
because of him, I earned today 32,000 pounds.
Oh, is it?
Yes,
What
because
kind
Come,
of
of
come,
business
you
you are
join.
doing?
You join. How much you want money?
I will
You'll
give
get
you
today.
10,000 pounds. You can play with me. Come.
No, no,
Come.
no, 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 no. Not in no betting now. Let's go to our house and we will do the arati. Please come with me for some time. Okay. Later
If
you can
you
do whatever you want.
if you take
Okay.
20,000 home tonight, Veena Mataji will be very happy.
I know how she will be happy, but first we will go and do the arati. It is a nice time. And now, yeah. Why don't you join,
Karthik,
Ashish? Please do come with
Karthik,
us.
Karthik, who is this fellow? Who is this?
He's my friend. He used to go to temple, and he
No,
does
no, no,
lot.
no. Those things we don't. I don't hear those things. Let's play. Come, come.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
will.
I know that you don't like, but why don't normally you go to Mahalakshmi temple, isn't it? You pay obeisances there.
Yeah,
Similarly,
I
you
go
come here and
once
pay
in a
obeisances.
year, like when there is birthday of somebody or something. I go that time.
Yeah, like that. Today is my birthday. Why don't you join? Come, please.
Oh, okay.
Malik, only the shop is open only half an hour. We have to finish this and then get more money, and then
Don't
we can
worry,
go.
you will get more money if you pray to Krishna. Please come with me. Okay?
We will come
Let's
some other day.
Yes, yeah. You already earned 32,000, isn't it? Let's go. Yeah. So, everybody came to our house, and I was speaking to Karthik Prabhu. Hare Krishna, Karthik Prabhu. How are you? You
I am
know,
fine, Malik.
and Ashish, I don't, sorry to, interrupt you both. I know you both are enjoying in betting center, but just I want to share couple of things. How come you people ended in betting center? You know, do you know that it is one of the, breaking one of the regulative principle that we should not play any gambling. We should not spend that hard-earned money on these things. So you already know that in Mahabharata also you can see that how. Yudhishthir Maharaj. He's very clever and intelligent person, but because of he lose his mental balance and lost his kingdom in his brothers and even his wife also. So what are you going to get?
But
Nothing, isn't it?
Duryodhana also he got lot of
Yeah,
wealth.
yeah, but he did the cheating in that. Shekuni did the cheating. Because of that, they won the match, isn't it? But not
Yes,
here like that. Whatever you're doing nice IT job, you're earning per day 500 pounds, and Krishna blessed you with nice all these things. So you should make use of that. A honest person will be always blessed by the Lord. If instead of doing gambling, you should depend on your hard work. And here Ashish is there. I don't know much about you, but I
so,
also suggest you that
so what?
if it will be good that if you do like this. Of course,
No,
it
no,
is
no,
not right
no,
thing.
no.
You
We
are
are
a
not.
new person to me, but
No, no.
still I
We
am
are
telling that this is for your good.
Karthik. We are like in wrong house. Maybe we don't understand all these things. Uh, so I know he is your friend, but I don't want to just come to his house and tell something. But can we go now and play more?
Yes,
Because
maybe we can give after playing. We can give 200 pounds for the temple.
yeah, that's correct. Yes.
I
So
think
we
that
can.
will.
So
Yes,
we
Now,
will always
before
win.
you leave, I want to tell one more thing that
We will only win.
whenever.
We will not lose. That is the thing we will do. We'll just win, and win.
yes.
Yes.
Are you sure that what is going to happen in the next
Yeah,
moment?
yeah.
How can you tell that you are earning every time?
We
So
will
far
win.
you and maybe you will lose this time. Even Yudhishthira Maharaj also lost so many times. Did you
We will.
And
We will.
there are
We
a
will.
lot of people, even my friends also lost so much money in that. So we should not believe on these things. We should completely depend on Krishna and our hard work. And finally Krishna is the ultimate giver, so he will definitely help us.
See,
If you
today we
are
earned
willing to go.
32,000. Tomorrow we'll show you we will earn like 164,000, and we'll
Sure,
come
sure,
back.
definitely. Please take this prasadam, and I'm very happy to serve you. And if you are insisted to go, I don't mind. But this is my advice that you should not, you know, do all these things. Okay. Now these people will leave to gambling center, and they lost all the money. And then they realized that yeah, that Prabhu said the right thing. We didn't hear much, and we didn't pay attention. So Karthik Prabhu and Ashish Prabhu coming back to me. So now the conversation is, Prabhu, please carry on.
Malik, thank you for your advice. We didn't take your advice. Now we lost our family. All my family, they gone away. They left me alone. I am on the road, no place to uh, stay. So kindly help me to get Krishna's mercy.
Definitely, I told you earlier also, we should always depend on Krishna because Krishna is the ultimate giver for everything, and whatever you need, Krishna will provide. So here, what about you, Ashish? Did you enjoy that? I think you also lost everything, isn't it?
We lost, and the prasadam which we ate yesterday, like helped us at least to analyze and realize something, and at last we did not play, so we could understand now at least that whatever we gain without having any our efforts, then we lose immediately. So we
Yeah, that's
lost,
why.
and
Yeah.
whatever we had, even 8,000 we lost. So we don't have anything left.
Mm.
So hopefully
So,
we can actually get something which he will teach us, or maybe the acharyas will teach us.
sure, definitely. What I'm telling that, whatever we do it in offering to Krishna. That's what Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita. Yat karoti edasnasi, yat tapashyasi kaunteya, tat kurusva madarpanam. Whatever you do, whatever you eat, whatever the activity you do, just do an offering to me. So when you do like that, Krishna will give the blessings, and definitely, he will take care of all the needs of his, children. So similarly, you should do the same thing, and whatever is happened for good only. You pray nicely to Krishna, and I will provide some money so that you can stay until you get job or anything in our house. And we don't mind to give prasadam also, even for you, Karthik. So if you need any help, please let me know. And one thing that I can say that gambling leads to addiction. It leads to hell, and these are the one of the six anarthas which leads to hellish life. So please do avoid those things. So it will help not only you, your family also.
Yeah, we need only Prasadam Prabhu. Ask Veena Mataji before telling that I'll give every day.
Very
Sure, definitely,
good.
Prabhu.
Thank you for saving our
Prabhu,
life.
I will give.
Very good. Very good. Yes.
Hari Bol,
Very
Hari Bol.
good. Very good.
Haribol. Haribol.
Hari Bol.
So the